Hello, welcome to everyone. So in this video I will share a tricks with you, which is when in your Excel there is a space before your number characters and several space. You don't know how many spaces there. Some cell is space 1, 2, or some is many more. So how can you remove all the space at a time? If you remove the space by manually, it's required huge time to make it correct. So I'll share a tricks with you. So you can write it here. First, clean. And then write it here, character, and in the character the number should be 160. And now you will add the substitute function on that, after comma you just invert it. So boom, that is all the space character has removed by this formula. So how it's work, let's explain. So in the clean formula, it's actually remove all the unprintable format from the text, and the character formula, it's written actually specified codes which set your computer for space 160, number 160. And the substitute, you know about that. For substitute, for example, in this cell, this is data mined, and I want to replace of data mined YouTube. So substitute, instead of data mined, I want to YouTube. So YouTube. So if you write data mined here, and it will replace by YouTube. So replace it, substitute actually work is there on the cleaning and characters. They are finding the spaces here, and for space substitute play rule, it will be blank. So that is the tricks. You can apply whole your formula and remove all the space at a time. So thank you for watching. Please share with these tricks and tips in your office colleagues and friend circle. Subscribe to our DataMine channel for more tricks. Thank you.